I know you're super confused, like why does this dude have a HomePod? Like the Samsung fanboy has a HomePod for some reason. Oh my god, everybody go crazy. Let me explain. This is my HomePod. If y'all don't know already, I'm gonna be trying to do the Apple ecosystem for a week or maybe 2 weeks or however long ago. And I think after that, I'm gonna do the Google Pixel 3a challenge for like a month. But yeah, pretty much the whole thing is gonna be Samsung fanboy, like that's my tab is for right there. But Samsung fanboy tries Apple ecosystem for a week. Can I survive? Who knows, but hopefully the HomePod can kind of help that. But alright, so we got HomePod here in the front. I heard this thing didn't sell like at all, but oh well. HomePod on the front. On the right side, we have an Apple logo. On the back, we have HomePod. Pretty much the same thing all around, like to be honest. And then we got the top of the HomePod on the top of the box. But okay, let's just go ahead and get into this thing. It's pretty easy to get into. And my iPhone isn't here yet, so I don't know if I can even use this thing yet, but it's coming tomorrow. Like I said, this is gonna be an unboxing and that's it. Just an unboxing. But let's go ahead and just get into this thing. Actually, I think we gotta put it up. There we go. That box was heavy. It wasn't like I couldn't carry it heavy, but it was like I didn't expect that weight heavy. But alright, so here's our HomePod. I got it in white so it could look more modern. It does look nice. And I think I'm going to be keeping it because the Galaxy Home's coming out like whenever, sometime soon, and I'm going to be doing the comparison. And here's our HomePod. I think this is an AMOLED screen at the top. That's what I heard. But we have this felt material here. It does look nice and it feels nice too, but when am I going to be feeling my HomePod? Apple logo here at the bottom. This is here to keep it from moving all over the place. I heard it leaves rings on your table though, so we'll see if that still happens. And then we got a cord that we can't even remove, so not a big deal because I don't really need to, but still interesting. It got like this shoestring type material on the cord too, it's nice. Seeing what else we got in the box, designed by Apple in California. Do we get any Apple stickers though? Don't look like it. Okay. I stand corrected. You get an Apple sticker. Yay. Got our instructions nobody cares about. I don't know why these companies keep including that. And yeah, that's it. So let's just go ahead and plug this thing in. That's all I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna set it up or anything. I don't really think I even can. All I got is a Galaxy Tab and a Google Pixel right now. Can't do much with that, I don't think. Plugging it in. Okay, it's just plugged in. Now you can see a little light right there. So I guess that's a startup right now. Oh, the bass. It took like 10 seconds to turn on for that. But the bass, man, that was crazy. Or maybe it's not even turned on all the way. I thought it was, but Siri didn't start talking yet, which I would assume it would. So yeah, I think it's in the setup right now. I think I just need an iPhone to continue, and Siri's just not gonna speak, I guess, because it's been a while. I got a MacBook, but that's not really gonna help anything, and I don't think an iPad will help anything either, even though I don't got one. But yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.